10 2013 Ford Escape Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford/Lincoln 6 F35 Transmission Filter Kit. Ensure your Ford or Lincoln 6 F35 transmission operates at its peak with our premium filter kit. Featuring high-quality filter media, it expertly captures contaminants and particles, guaranteeing a cleaner, longer-lasting transmission and consistently smooth shifts. The included robust rubber gasket provides exceptional heat resistance and a leak-proof seal, protecting your valuable transmission fluid. Built with durable materials for reliable performance in any driving condition, this kit is also designed for effortless DIY installation. Forget complicated tools. Confidently perform this essential maintenance yourself, saving both time and money. Compatible with many popular models including the Edge, Explorer, Fusion, MKC, and Nautilus, it's the intelligent way to maintain your vehicle's performance. Number 9. Amazon's Choice, Best Overhaul. Amazon's Choice, Best Overhaul. Experience ultimate peace of mind with Motorcraft Transmission Fluid, XT105Q3LV, Amazon's Choice for a reason. This isn't just any auto accessory. It's engineered precisely to OEM specifications, making it the vital fluid your transmission needs for flawless, reliable operation. You'll immediately notice the difference. Silky smooth gear changes, enhanced fuel efficiency, and superior protection against wear, even under demanding conditions. Its robust formulation actively safeguards critical internal components, significantly extending your transmission's lifespan and maintaining your vehicle's original factory performance. Invest in Motorcraft XT105Q3LV. Ensure your vehicle continues to perform at its peak, because it deserves nothing less than perfection. Number 8. Ford and Lincoln 6 F35 Transmission Overhaul Kit. Is your Ford or Lincoln 6 F35 transmission feeling less than perfect? Revitalize your ride with our comprehensive overhaul kit, meticulously engineered to bring back that factory-smooth performance. Crafted from superior, wear-resistant plastic, rubber, and steel, this kit guarantees exceptional durability and stable, reliable performance, ready for the long haul. Designed for a perfect fit, it's a direct replacement manufactured to OEM specifications, making installation straightforward, no complicated tools needed. Whether you drive an EcoSport, Edge, Fusion, or Transit Connect, our kit covers a wide range of compatible models. Simply confirm your OE part number for guaranteed compatibility and experience the confidence of a restored transmission. Invest in quality. Enjoy effortless driving again. Number 7. Ford Escape 2013 to 2016 Transmission Oil Cooler. Keep your Ford Escape running at its best. If you own a 2013 to 2016 Ford 2.5L model, our A-Premium Transmission Oil Cooler is an essential upgrade. This precision-engineered aluminum cooler, referencing 19042 CV6Z7A095B, ensures your transmission fluid stays at optimal temperatures, preventing costly wear and tear caused by overheating. You see, proper oil cooling is vital for maintaining smooth shifts and extending the life of your entire drivetrain. Crafted from durable aluminum for efficient heat dissipation, it's designed for a perfect, factory-like fit. Drive with absolute confidence knowing your purchase is backed by our 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Protect your investment and enjoy peak performance. Number 6. Ford Escape 2013 to 2019 Engine and Transmission Mount Set. Tired of excessive vibrations or clunky shifts in your Ford Escape? Upgrade your ride with our premium engine and transmission mount set. Expertly engineered for your 2013 to 2017 Escape 2.0L and 2013 to 2019 Escape 2.5L, plus compatible transit connects. This kit restores your vehicle's smooth, quiet performance. We use only the highest grade raw materials and sophisticated technology, ensuring these mounts meet or even exceed original equipment specifications. This means a more stable engine, reduced cabin noise, and an overall more comfortable driving experience for you. The complete set includes front motor, lower, and upper transmission mounts, all rigorously tested for durability. Plus, enjoy ultimate confidence with our generous 36-month warranty. Drive better, feel the difference. Number 5. How to replace Ford transmission shifter cable bushing. Is your Ford Edge, Escape, Fusion, C-Max, or Transit Connect suffering from sloppy, imprecise gear shifts? Don't let a worn transmission shifter cable bushing degrade your driving experience. Our premium replacement set, perfectly matched for KV6Z, 7K340A, and DG9Z, 7S004A, is the direct fix you need. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this bushing and cap are engineered for superior wear resistance, ensuring robust, long-lasting performance. You'll immediately notice the difference as it restores smooth, precise gear engagement, eliminating misalignment, and significantly improving your control. Plus, with its direct fit design, installation is genuinely hassle-free, no modifications required. Get your Ford shifting like new again, quickly and confidently. Number 4. Ford Escape Engine and Trans Oil Cooler 2007 to 2016. Is your Ford Escape ready for the long haul? Protect its vital components, your engine and transmission, with our premium oil cooler. Expertly engineered for Ford Escape models from 2007 to 2016, including 1.6L, 2.0L, 2.5L, and 3.0L engines. This cooler is crafted from durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum. It's designed to maintain optimal oil temperatures, ensuring your vehicle runs efficiently, extending its lifespan, and preventing costly wear. Manufactured in TS 16949 certified facilities, every unit undergoes rigorous material validation and functional testing, guaranteeing reliability you can trust. With OEM part numbers like CV6P7869AE, you're assured a perfect, worry-free fit. Don't compromise on performance or longevity. Give your Escape the superior cooling it deserves for smooth operation mile after mile. Number 3. 6F35 Transmission Master Rebuild Kit. Revitalize your vehicle's performance with the 6F35 Transmission Master Rebuild Kit, your ultimate solution for common transmission issues. Engineered for a perfect, hassle-free fit in models like the 2009 to 2017 Escape, 2010 to 2017 Fusion, 2012 to 2016 Edge 2.0L, and other compatible Ford vehicles. This comprehensive kit provides every high-quality component necessary for a complete transmission restoration or crucial maintenance, all in one convenient package. Each part is meticulously crafted from durable materials, rigorously tested to meet industry standards, and built to withstand harsh driving conditions. This commitment to quality guarantees extended transmission life and reliable performance. With Colaudacore, expert support is just a call away, ensuring you drive confidently with the best parts and team behind you. 112 words. Number 2. 2013 to 2019 Escape MKC Transmission Mounting Bracket. Is your 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape or 2015 to 2019 Lincoln MKC feeling a bit off with excessive vibrations or abnormal noises? Our premium transmission mounting bracket is precisely what you need. Engineered for a perfect, no-modification fit, it securely holds your transmission, drastically cutting down on those irritating vibrations and ensuring proper alignment for peak vehicle performance. Don't let a worn bracket lead to costly transmission damage. Timely replacement restores that smooth, quiet ride you cherish. Crafted from robust, high-strength metal, this bracket offers superior durability and reduces breakdown risks. Matching OE number BV6Z, 6E042C. Always confirm fitment. Invest in reliability and rediscover confident driving. Number 1. Ford Transmission Master Rebuild Kit. Ready to restore your Ford's 6F35 transmission to its absolute best? Our Master Rebuild Kit is meticulously engineered for a wide range of Ford Edge, Escape, Explorer, Fusion, Police Sedan, and Taurus models, ensuring a perfect, precision fit. Experience unparalleled reliability with premium seals. 80% crafted from US/Taiwan FKM rubber for superior heat and oil resistance, complemented by Japanese ACM rubber and NAK oil seals for unmatched, leak-free performance. High-strength, precision-machined steel plates guarantee a stable, durable clutch system, delivering consistently smooth shifts. Plus, our asbestos-free friction plates provide exceptional thermal stability and wear resistance, ensuring reliable power transfer with an eco-conscious edge. Give your Ford the long-lasting performance it truly deserves. So, that sums up my 2013 Ford Escape transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.